Good day, everyone. Today we'll talk about a very interesting and important topic, human genetics. This lesson helps us understand and how inherited traits from, from parents and what happens when there are changes in our genes. Let's talk about what is human genetics. Human genetics is a scientific study of how traits and characteristics are passed from parents to their children through genes. Human genetics is a study of how it inherits traits like appearance and health from our parents through DNA and genes and how this makes each person unique. What is genetic disease? Genetic disease are disorders caused by change and mutation in a person of DNA. This mutation can affect how the body grows, develops, or functions. Some genetic diseases are inherited from parents, while another occurs spontaneously due to change in genes. So genetic disease are sometimes are genes or errors are called mutation. They cause problems in the way our body works. Diseases that are caused by mutation are called genetic disease. Let's talk about what is the father of genetic disease. The father of genetic disease is Gregor Mendel, was Australian monk whose experiments breeding, pea plants, and monastery garden laid and breakthroughs in our understanding of genetic and heredity. Genes and chromosomes. Gametes. Ang gametes is male and female reproductive cells. So, ang male is mauna siya ang sperm cells. So, ang female mauna siya ang egg cell. Ang zygote, the new cell of form of conceptions. Mauna ang gitawag sa mga bagong cells na naporma pagkahuman sa fertilization or conceptions. Genes, basic units of genetic information, are basic units of heredity. DNA. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid, is molecule that carries all genetic informations. The chromosomes. There are like instructions in the nucleus of the cell which contain genetic material. Ensure that genetic information is currently copied and distributed during cell division. Next is the inside of the nucleus. The chromosomes is chromosomes 1000 is of constant of genes. Genes is comprised that determine the characteristics. DNA is the deoxynucleotide chemical. Each genesis code for a particular characteristic. If you can see this picture, i-zoom. The picture is we have a cell, nucleus, chromosomes, and base pair and DNA double helix. This have a first cell. This have a cell. Cell is a basic instruction of the function of the unit of the living organisms. Cells are the building block of life. Can be classified into the two broad categories: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Ang base pair, next year for the base pairs. Ano siya? Ang base pair. The four nitrogenous base. 1 adenine, 2 thymine, 3 cytosine, and 4 guanine. So let's talk about DNA, the double helix. Ano siya? The double helix. Is the instructions that represent how DNA is organic at not molecular level. Siya. Humans have 46 chromosomes, 23 from each parents. This contains about 25,000 of genes that determine the human genome. The human genome is the genetic complement of over 25,000 genes of the human genome plus contribution of the parents. Each parents give 23 chromosomes at conceptions. Muna siya. Ang humans have 46 chromosomes with 23 from each parent. This contains about 25,000 genes that are determined traits. Each parent contributes 23 chromosomes during conception. Dominant and recessive genes decide characteristics like eye color. This combination of alleles create genetic variations. Let's talk about genes. Each pair contains gene from your mother and gene from your father. For a particular characteristic, so each parent contains two options for a characteristic. These options are called alleles. Genes eye color. Alleles is the blue eye color. Blue eye color. Blue eye color and brown eye color. Sorry. Let's talk about alleles. Alleles is an alternative form of genes, one member of pair. This is located at a specific position of specific chromosomes. Alleles are dominant recessive. Homozygous. Ang homozygous, we have two same alleles purebred. Ang heterozygous with two different alleles. So, ang kalahian lang nila sa duha, ang isa nga homozygous is same pair. Ang heterozygous is ang mixed pair. We have dominant trait. Trait expressed when the two traits, and recessive trait is that trait that expresses that itself only with a pair with another of the same kind. Let's have talk about the basic genetics. Dominant trait, recessive trait, genotype, phenotype, and heterozygous and homozygous. The first one is dominant trait. Traits are possessed with two traits. Recessive trait is a trait that expresses itself only with a parallel with another of the same kind. Genotype. Ang genotype, muna siya ang underlying genetic material. So, ang phenotype, observable trait. Heterozygous. Ang heterozygous means when a genes from characteristic different. And homozygous when the genes were characteristic different. Let's talk about a psychological disorder and genetic disorder. Sa ilaha duha unsa may ilahang kalahian. A psychological disorder mo siya ang nadira ang depression, anxiety. Ang genetic disorders mo sila ang naay mga abnormalities kanang mga sakit na disorders kanang mga Down syndrome muna sila diri Psychological disorder is referred to the condition where the normal functioning of the body this disrupted to the cause due to disease, injury, hormonal imbalance, or organ failure, or environmental factors. Mental health, muna siya ang mental health. Example, depression, anxiety. A genetic disorder is especially caused by abnormalities or mutation in parts of DNA. They are inherited, passed from parents, or arise spontaneously. So, ang genetic disorder is caused by the gene's mutation. Example, muna siya Down syndrome, cystic fibrosis, muna siya example sa genetic disorders. The next is psychological disorders, muna siya schizophrenia. Twins in the run of the family's monozygotic twins have 50% chance of developing a sensitivity to stress. Another disorders, major depression, is alcoholism, autism, and ADHD. Ang ADHD ay muna siya ang defect hyperactivity disorder. Ang schizophrenia muna siya is a serious mental disorder that affects how person thinks, feel, and behaves. Muna siya ang delusional, hallucination, disrecognized thinking, reduced emotions. Muna siya dira ang psychological disorders. So let's move on sa genetic disorder. A genetic disorder is a Down syndrome. Genetic disorder can caused by the presence of the extra copy of chromosomes 21 called trisomy 21. Key symptoms are features that distinct the facial features of flat facial profile and upward slanting eyes, small nose, low muscle tone, and hypotonia and short stature. Ang Down ang Ang Down syndrome is happen when a baby is born with an extra copy of chromosomes. Normally, a baby gets 23 chromosomes from each parent. We have 46 total, but the Down syndrome din ang kan extra chromosomes at 21. So, a baby has 47 chromosomes instead of 46. Nasobraan siya og isa. This happens by the chance during the formation of the egg or sperm. It's called a random emotion cell division. It is not caused by anything the parents did. Walay problema ang parents. Wala sila kuan ani. But ang kuan ani is ang cell divisions na error mo ni siya. Then let's move on Pautow syndrome. Is a genetic disorder caused by the presence of an extra copy of chromosomes 13, trisomy of 13. Non-destruction is the most common cause by Pautow syndrome. It's a mistake that happens during cell division. Cold injection with the eggs or sperms are forming normally. Each egg or sperms carry only one copy of each chromosomes. Ang Pautow syndrome is a served or genetic disorder caused by the extra copy of chromosomes 13. Ang kanisya ang non-destruction is a mistake during cell division with the egg or sperm cells as a forming normally. Each egg or sperm should carry one of the each chromosomes, but is indigestions in the chromosomes fail the separate properly. Ano siya? Let's talk about next. Turner syndrome's webbed neck spaces nipples is a genetic condition that affects a females where one of the X chromosomes is either missing or partially missing. This can be led to the variety of physical and developmental challenges. The condition occurs approximately in 1 in 2,000 live female births. Ang Turner syndrome is chromosomal disorder that affects that females typically caused by the complete or partial absence of the X chromosomes. We have the two characteristic physical tests include webbed neck and widely spayed nipples. Ang webbed neck mao na siya ang fold of skin that moon along the side of neck and down of the syndrome siya. Ang widely spayed nipple is due to the broad of chest at nipples. Nipples from the upper that small. Ang Turner syndrome is genetic condition with a girl's weight which one of the X chromosome is missing or incomplete. This is caused by the short height, delayed properly, and physical. Genetic disorders are disorders resulting from defect in the structure of the number of genes or chromosomes. Genetic is a study of how or which of disorders occurs. A phenotype is a person's outward appearance, and genotypes refers to the actual gene of compositions. A person's genome is complete set of genes present. A karyotype is graphic presentation of the chromosomes that they are present. A person is homozygous if she or she have two like genes of trait, and heterozygous if he or she has two unlike genes for a trait. An important aspect of genetic counseling is respecting a couple's right to privacy. Be certain that all information remains confidential. People who are told that a genetic abnormality doesn't exist in the family may suffer of loss of self-esteem, loss of self-esteem, offering support to help them deal with the feeling with the experience in the important nursing intervention. That's all my discussion for today. Thank you.